This 2022 Winnebago Adventurer 29B is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas 76,140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Winnebago is 30 feet 1 inch in length and features one slideout, a tan, gray interior, sleeps 8, refrigerator, skylight, water heater, CO detector, TV, DVD player, microwave, stovetop burner, slide-out, awning, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2022 Winnebago Adventurer 29B is built on a Ford F53 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.